Good morning, students of class 9. You are welcome back to the online portal. We are doing geography, the climate. So in our previous class we have talked about various factors that affect India's climate, and we have already studied about latitudes, we have already studied about altitude also, and pressure of the wind, pressure and winds. Today we'll talk about upper air circulation and western disturbance. So we'll talk about that today. So now there are altogether 6 points here. Number 1, the upper air circulation. Upper air means up, very high up in the sky, that is above troposphere, just near stratosphere, very high up in the air, in the sky. There is a narrow space that the wind blows very fast. That is called upper air circulations. The upper air circulations in this region, in India, especially in northern India, in this region is dominated by the westerly flow of air. Up in the sky, from the western side, a jet stream, a very fast moving air, the wind blows from western side, not on the land surface but high up in the sky, in the troposphere. So it is a westerly flow of air, also known as jet stream. It is not very wide, it is very narrow. The stream is very narrow, but it moves very, very fast. The wind blows from west to east. That's called jet stream, high up. That's called upper air circulation. These jet streams, where you will find, in which latitude? These jet streams are located over 27 degree north to 30 degree north. Within this 27 to 30, in between 3 degrees, 27 to 30 degrees, in this part the jet stream, the wind blows up in the sky, north latitude, 27 to 30 degree north latitude. So they are also known as subtropical westerly jet stream. Just above the northern plains of India, high up in the sky, the wind blows very strongly and very fast, but not on the ground. In summer, the jet stream flows towards the north of Himalayas, but in other parts, the jet stream flows just right on top of the northern plains. They are also known as subtropical westerly jet stream over India, towards the northern part of India, not on the ground but high up in the sky. These jet streams, now let's talk about more. These jet streams blow south of the Himalayas, this side. There is a Himalaya, this is the south, towards the Indian northern plains. These jet streams blow south of the Himalayas all through the year. Throughout the year, the jet streams lies just above the northern plains of India. Throughout the year. But in summer, the jet stream will not be there. Jet stream will be towards the north of Himalayas. So throughout the year, except in summer. In summer, the jet stream shifts its movement, the location, and the jet stream will be towards the north of Himalayas, above. But in other parts, again, the jet streams move this side. But in summer, it moves that side. Then you get the flow moves that side, on the beyond Himalayas, towards the north, in summer. But other times of the year, the jet stream will be right above the northern place. So the jet stream blows south of the Himalayas all through the year, except in summer. In summer, it blows north of north, N-O-R-T-H, north of Himalayas. In summer, the jet stream blows towards the north of the Himalayas, beyond that. The western cyclonic disturbances. These wind, the flow of the wind, jet stream, bring the moisture from the western side, that is from the Mediterranean side. The western cyclonic disturbances are weather phenomena. Phenomena means process. It's a weather process of the winter months. During winter, these jet stream bring moisture from the Mediterranean Sea. It is just the south of Europe. There is a Mediterranean Sea. In between Africa and Europe, there is a Mediterranean Sea. From there, the moisture, it picks up the moisture and brings in winter. So, of the winter months, brought in, the western cyclonic disturbances are weather phenomena of the winter months, brought in by the western flow of this jet stream. These phenomena is brought by the jet stream from Mediterranean region. From Mediterranean region, it brings moisture, and here we have in northern India we have rain, and in the Himalayan region we have snowfall. This rain helps. This rain will be very much beneficial for rabi crops. Why we have rain in the north of India or in the northwestern part of India, or snows in the Himalayas region or mountains? Why? It is all because of the western disturbance. Western disturbance means the jet stream brings it pulls the moisture or the clouds, rain bearing clouds from the Mediterranean Sea because of the jet stream. That's why it is also called western cyclonic disturbances. You will experience during the winter season. Just before winter and just after winter you will experience this western disturbance. Because after winter there comes the summer, then the jet stream will shift its area towards the northern side, towards the beyond the Himalayas, and at that time you will experience the snowfall in the Himalayan region. The other times after summer, again when it's about near winter, then the jet stream will shift its location just above the northern part of the India, or above the northern plains. Then you will have October, November, you will have cyclones. So these western disturbances bring rain and snow in winter and help rabi crops in the north and northwestern part of India. So it is very much beneficial. This winter rain is beneficial for the rabi crops, especially wheat. So tropical cyclone. Now this is all about jet stream and the western disturbance. It is a natural phenomena, climatic phenomena, especially experiences during winter, and it is all because of the jet stream that blows high up in the sky, upper air circulation. It is all because of that. Now tropical cyclones we experience, it occurs or we experience during monsoon. Not here but in the coastal regions. The coastal region of India, southern India, that is Tamil Nadu, Chennai, or Madhya Pradesh here, and Odisha, West Bengal. The coastal region experiences tropical cyclones during monsoon season and October especially, when the retreating monsoon enters Tamil Nadu, again they experience cyclone. So tropical cyclones occur during monsoon season and during October in the coastal regions of India. So it is all because of the monsoon wind that blows from the sea, and when it enters India, sometimes it turns into a cyclone. That is tropical cyclones. But western disturbance, it is because of the jet stream, the moisture laden clouds, air enters India, and sometimes it forms a cyclone, that is called western disturbance. We experience especially during winter seasons. Just before winter and just after winter we experience western disturbances. But this tropical cyclone we experience on the eastern coast of our country. Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, these areas, Maharashtra, these areas we experience tropical cyclones. It occurs during monsoon and in October. So there is a difference between western disturbance cyclone and these tropical cyclones. Western disturbance occur in the north and northwestern part of India, and tropical cyclones we experience during eastern side and near the Arabian sides also. Coastal region we experience. So that's all for today. In next class we'll talk about the Indian monsoon. We'll talk about the monsoon season or monsoon rain. We'll talk about how monsoon is created, what process it follows, how this word monsoon comes. We announce or we call it monsoon, why it is, who kept the name monsoon, what is the meaning of monsoon. So how monsoon is created, or how we experience monsoon and the months and from where it originates. So we'll talk about all these things in our next class, the Indian monsoon. So to be continued in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and stay safe. Continue studying at home regularly. Go through online portal. Many of them, they are not going through the online portal. So they'll find it very hard later on. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.